He dips his finger in it.
In what, the cow?
No, he wants to dip his finger in the...
Dip your finger in what?
Oh dear.
That's harsh, Nathan.
You
already had those.
It's when you want you know when you breathe in.
Yeah, he wants to do it.
Nick wants some more. Right, Nick wants some more.
I'm enjoying alcohol.
Go on, tip it up. Tip it up.
Graham.
A proper one.
Don't, whoa.
Swallow it.
Never.
Cherry tomato sauce, Jeremy.
Nick, I'd just like to say there's no tomato sauce, there's habanero pepper, vinegar, chili extract, garlic, blah, 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 blah. There's no tomato in it.
You should just do it.
Nick, do it.
He wants you warm now.
You're awesome.
Yeah, I am.
You make your mouth warm, that's all.
Lips there.
Yeah. Right, stop.
Either there's no choice. Either Nick is just immune to chili or is holding it back very well.
You're right, Dave, you're right.
No, this is hotter than Mum's cooking. Well, Mum's cooking.
He's sweating. He's sweating.
Lips man like that.
I can't. You didn't look too happy like when you did last time. No, you should look like you're crying.
He's saying that now, right? But in the morning,
You do it,
wait till he
Oh,
goes
is that a
to
tear?
Hey,
I think that's a tear.
I don't want to do it.
Hi, Diana.
In your eye.
There and there. It's just like.
I think like now.
Why do I want to do it?